दिख रहा है यार. It's like these make Mumbai traffic a jungle. Hello guys, welcome to new vlog.
Morning pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Speed 400x. I'm seeing this bike everywhere.
Nice.
At any time. Like most of my neighborhood and around the streets as well. Most of the people are preferring this bike. And Triumph ka share prices have gone skyrocket because of this one bike. Thank you, sir. I was talking about the metro line that started from Acharya Atre Chowk near Worli to Dharavi. New metro line started at that's the Aqua line, I guess. Yeah, it's actually quite good. It's near my home where I stay at the station, and it covers a distance where I travel, like Shivaji Park, the Siddhivinayak. These are the places I travel frequently, so it's actually quite commutable. I don't know exact fares of the metro. What is it doing, man? इंडिकेटर तो दे दे यार फिर. Hey buddy. It's quite scary though. भाई पता नहीं कब ऐसा they jump out of the car. It's actually quite refreshing to see if the wind comes by and they're like opening their mouth. See how happy he is.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly.
भाई लिफ्ट देना. Bro almost crashed into me. Now it's actually quite good. See, this is the exact climate I am just manifesting that the sun. One second, guys. This sun actually gets behind the clouds, so it's quite shadow over the area. It's quite refreshing though. मज़ा भी आता है भाई ऐसा जाने को. Mesh actually helps, man. पूरा हवा अंदर जा रहा है. This actually helps. So I got this jacket from Decathlon, approx 800 or 900 rupees. I'm not recollecting it, like the price. It's actually quite good. It got ऊपर ऐसा normal cloth and नीचे mesh net kind of thing, and usually the air flows into it and हवा अच्छा आता है. The purpose I'm wearing this is because it's actually a sunny day out when I just left home, so better to wear this than getting tan. So for the purpose of preventing me from getting tan is why I'm wearing this.
Nice.
It's actually quite good though, worth the money.
का एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए. महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए. 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए. ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा.
यार क्या है भाई, इंडिकेटर दे दे मेरे भाई. Oh, that has golden rims, huh? Oh, the bronze. It's actually bronze. Damn. क्या ही दिख रहा है यार. It's actually looking good. The alloys are actually looking good. See? Fucking hell.
Make up your mind.
Nice. Three, and we go, boys. 7:54 back home. I just hope there's no traffic because it's actually a peak time. 8 o'clock it's peak time. So hope. All I can just hope is there's no traffic. There's no politician coming. Otherwise, there's full on traffic. The roads are blocked. There's no way to go. These roads again, man. We're just cruising, man. I hope the angle and the audio has been recording properly. Otherwise, the whole clip is. I put it in an ultra wide mode. Hope that it captures so that it can capture the whole view. If at all I put it in the normal or the standard mode, or let's say the wide view, it doesn't capture as much as a wide captures. So if at all I fuck up in the angle wise, wide angle just nullifies those things.
Nice.
Those friends is trying to buy a bike. So he's confused between Royal Enfield and Triumph. I suggested him Royal Enfield, but he's more inclined towards the Triumph because of obviously the brand I recalled in the morning. So he's planning on to buy the new XC version of the Triumph Scrambler. That is approx, I guess, 3 lakhs on road. I guess 3 lakhs on road is the price. And the other Royal Enfield is considering is the Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The main purpose of his ride is that he could ride in the weekends. Plus, he might be going to his village on his bike. So that are the main 2 purposes of him buying a bike right now. Oh, bye. Oh my god. Wait. This guy is driving like a maniac right now. We almost touched the bike. So yeah, never mind. I was so I was considering. So we'll be doing some test rides of the bike. The T4 is also a good option. That is approx 2 lakhs on road, but it is 390cc, approx 400cc is also 400cc. T4, the new Triumph version. And we are considering the XC version, X version of Triumph and T4 version, and the Royal Enfield Himalayan, the newer version. So let's see, we'll test ride all those bikes, and whichever he likes, he's comfortable with, we'll be going ahead with that. We'll keep you updated once he books, or if something he likes, or he drops of buying a bike and getting a scooter. So that's the plan. Let's see. So I almost reached Bandra. 7:55 to 8:10 props. Almost 15 minutes on Western Express Highway to reach Bandra. That's quite good. Because there was no traffic as such, I was maintaining a good speed also. So yeah. Now let's see by what time I reach. I almost reached my house. About 8:28 हो रहा है. So yeah, 40 minutes. Almost reached my house in half an hour. And this road, the absolute beauty of infrastructure, man. Absolute beauty of infrastructure in Mumbai right now. This connects to Nariman Point, Bandra-Worli Sea Link. Then I don't know where it all connects. One connects to Hajeli. So there are different routes to Goa. See, one connects to Nariman Point. Different bridges to different routes. So like absolutely, like it's like cinema of infrastructure. You see, like I'm so fascinated about this. To see actually Mumbai growing. तो खोदा पूरा, but the output, I hope the output is worth it right now. That's all. One connects to Atal Setu, I guess. I don't know, I'm not quite sure though, but yeah.